If you have no idea what Tide Pod Chan is, I'll give you a super quick rundown. Tide Pods are a laundry detergent, and kids ate them because they look like candy. The Japanese word for Chan implies an adorable person, and when you put together Tide Pod and Chan, you get an adorable Tide Pod person. That's what we're going to be making today.
Tide Pod Chan wins every time. Tide Pod Chan.
Hi, I'm Xabio Arts, the cringiest artist on YouTube. I don't know a thing about colored pencils, okay? But I thought that I would try it out. And I told myself, no matter how bad the art is in this video, you have to upload it. So I just forced myself to do it. So here's the final image of Tide Pod Chan on the left, so you can see how it turns out. But when I started this drawing, I was just looking at a blank piece of paper and trying to survive, okay? By the way, Tide Pod Chan is not my character, belongs to Green Pantsu, but I'll talk about her in a second. Now let's just jump into the video. I hope you enjoy me struggling through this because it was scary.
Tide Pod Chan.
I literally have no idea what I'm doing right now. Maybe if I just keep putting all of the colors on, then it'll look good. But that's not working. There's a method to this, I know it. There's some way that I'm supposed to do this, I just don't know how. Let's start with yellow. It can be a highlight for orange, right? Maybe we'll do the base color as yellow. I don't know, I see a bunch of people putting on base colors and then layering it. There's something that has to do with layering. I have no idea what it is though. Maybe we'll get it right, maybe we won't. All right, what do I do? Let's try this. Shade, this is already so bright. Maybe if I add some brown to it, it'll work, huh? I hope I don't ruin it. Come on. Oh my God, that's looking awesome. Yes! Whew. Sometimes you just gotta go for it. Oh my gosh, and it's turning out awesome, man. I feel like the yellow is out of place now. The yellow should be orange now. What if I just go through the whole thing again, but with orange? Whatever. All right, let's do that. Let's do some brownies. This is totally not the way that you should actually shade stuff, but hey, that's just a theory. A Tide Pod. Well, it's not turning out quite as bad as I thought it was going to originally. I thought I was just gonna completely fail this. Turns out I'm just like corners, kind of sort of half failing it. I'm just trying to survive now. Oh yeah, look, it's bringing out the yellow in here. There's a little bit more yellow. Yeah, okay, it's not that bad. Yeah, look, that's pretty nice. Now, how do I make it even brownier? What happens if I just go really dark with it, like this? I'm just gonna push as hard as I can. Come on, baby, brown up. All right, well, hey, that's not that bad. Come on, it's not that bad. All right, let's try this. Let's try just coloring like this whole thing like peach. The little bits of pencil lead that I forgot to erase are coming through. I'm smearing them. So that's nice to know. Is this the right brown? Yeah, this is the right brown. Now I just have to like shade it so that it's a nice gradient from dark on the outside to light in the middle. It's looking like a tree trunk. It still doesn't look like leggings yet. What if I go through the entire thing with like a gray? Well, I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I already started, so we'll see how it goes. I feel like I should have gone with like up and down instead of at an angle, but whatever. We're already there. Shoot, that did not work like I thought it would. Crap, let's just add black to it then. We might be able to save this. I don't know. I'm not looking super hopeful right now, but I have a little bit of hope. You know what, it's not that, this isn't actually that bad. I think I did kind of save it at the end. I hate that. Not exactly what I wanted, but it's not something that I completely hate, so I think we're good. I'm just gonna color the rest of this brown. Well, I should not have colored it like that. Let's get our very fancy eraser and just erase them. Oh, erasing is an effective way to do highlights on colored pencils. Wow, that works very well. All right.
Yeah, boy.
Oh crap, now I gotta do the other one. Oh man. This is gonna take forever, man. What did I do, gray? Yeah, I remember I did the whole thing gray because that was scary. Now let's try black and see what happens. Once you go black, maybe we can add some texture to it. Let's see what kind of a result I can get with colored pencil. Crap! Can I erase you? Oh! Crayola erases pretty well. Excuse me, sir. Come on, paper, get colored. Don't know what I'm doing, but I look good doing it. Somebody help me. I need colored pencil expertise. All right, maybe we can erase some interesting highlights into this. I didn't think that it would be this frustrating, but for some reason, it's legitimately frustrating. Moving on, because Okay, maybe this is not making it any better. That's not what I should have done. Let's make this a little bit darker on this part. Let's add some blue or purpley stuff to the shadows. See what we can do in the way of skin color. All right, well that's working. That does not work. Get out of here. I need a different kind of purple, man. What kind of purple do I need? This kind? Yes! Aesthetic, 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 aesthetic. I'm just gonna throw purple all over the place. I don't even care. It's gonna go in the hair. It's gonna go on the skirt. I'm gonna kind of use it as a shadowy thingy. It's gonna go on this thing, this thing. You go over here, mister. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Is that Luigi? Was I just Luigi for a second?
Oh yeah.
Now what do I do? Now what do I do? Let's blend it in. Pretend like we're good at drawing, coloring. And then blend it. Ah, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'll try. Yeah, good enough. Maybe I can add some gray to that. Oh yeah, it's nice and muted, just the way I like it. It's a decent shadow, huh? Hi, little punk. Maybe I could do this too. All right, let's just cover that whole thing with gray. I don't even know if this is doing anything, but I'm doing it anyway out of desperation. Ah! I hate when that happens. I'll just pretend like I meant that to be like that. Well, hey, it's not the worst thing that I've ever drawn. Maybe I can add some brown to the hair. Yeah, that's helping. Just leave it alone. Ah! I'm making everything worse. Should I add yellow to this? No, you're making it worse again. Oh no, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Quick tip, take like a gel pen and do a little outline on one side of the character. Man, highlights are everything. But we can't forget the blushies. Ah, gross. That is a terrible blush. But I'm determined to get this blush right. Well, actually, that doesn't look that bad. Senpai! Go, 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 gadget. Man. There you go. Yeah, oh, you went too far. Oh, wait, we need a highlight for the eyes. Here we go. Come on, get out of there. Carefully. Can't ruin it. She is nearly perfect. I think we did a splendid job. Should we add another one? Oh no. Ah! I always do that. Dry, Mr. Marker, dry. Okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna... What did I do to this stupid eye? There. That better? Stupid perfectionist, you always gotta do one more thing, don't you? Don't you dare ruin it. I tried to make her look shiny, just like the Tide Pods are shiny. You know what? That looks pretty good. Huh. Wow. You know what? You weren't supposed to turn out that good. Oh wait, we need to add something else. There. Should I add some red to her fingers? Nope, that was a bad idea. There, we gotta be aesthetic with this, right? Wait, hold on. Instagram pic. Ta-da. Wait, pick a different blue. Instagram aesthetics. Whoa. I feel like it turned out pretty good. A lot better than I was expecting with colored pencils. I don't really use colored pencils, so...
Tide Pod Chan.
In the beginning of this video, I said that I would say something about Green Pantsu, the creator of Tide Pod Chan. This is her work. She's only 15, and she is already really, really good. I'll leave links in the description to her stuff. But man, look at that! I really like making these kind of videos. I don't know why you would want to watch it. But hey, I'm not gonna judge, okay? Make this the last video that you see from Xabio Arts. Don't watch any more, and unsubscribe.
I wouldn't say this. I wouldn't mind this. Yeah. You did everything.
Oh wait, I almost forgot. Don't forget to unsubscribe.
Tide Pod Chan.